Hello, my name is Summer Neal, and today we'll be looking at ways to help the high school student who is struggling with U.S. history. We will be looking at a number of programs and activities that will help make U.S. history not only easier to understand, but also, dare I say it, interesting. A lot of teachers at EPIC are not well versed in teaching social studies, but I'll let you in on a little secret. If you approach history class as a nonfiction ELA class and you utilize EpicEd lessons and the social studies coach, you'll soon find teaching history is not so daunting after all. So, U.S. history is a state test for juniors, so we'll find it under the 11th grade. We're here on the EpicEd website, and as we click through, we go to 11th grade and social studies, and then U.S. history. And we're going to be looking at the New Deal and the Great Depression today. Each and every topic and unit is set up the same way. So if we look at this one topic, then you can go through and find whatever else you need. So let's take a look at some of the tools we can use to help the struggling student. Here we're at content standard number 3, the Great Depression and New Deal is part of that standard, and we will go over and look at the site itself. In each section, we have a lesson plan. Everything is set up the exact same way. All lessons and activities on this site are set up to be user-friendly for both the student and the teacher. We have 3 basic modes of delivering content to the student. You can either publish it to Google Classroom. These are Google Classroom friendly documents. You can copy the documents and move them into the student share folder, and the student can complete them there, and then you can grade them. Or you can print out a hard copy and give those copies to the student. So there's lots of different ways to get this material to the student, and we're working on lots of wonderful ways to decrease the amount of grading time that you'll have for this. So each page is set up with front loading, a main lesson, supplements, a literature study, crash course reviews, and assessments. Today we're just going to look at a couple of different things because we're focusing on helping the struggling student. Oftentimes, a student's biggest hurdle to overcome is a lack of prior knowledge about the era. America, the Story of Us is an engaging video series that puts the period in context. This is episode 8, Bust, of that series. There's a viewing guide to go along with the video to ensure that the student retains all the key concepts that they need. And it's a great way and an engaging way to get a slice of history. The next thing that we're going to look at is the crash course video series. There are 2 crash course videos, the Great Depression and the New Deal. Both come with viewing guides and a key for you to be able to grade. Crash Course is the original version, or the U.S. history version is the original series that has blossomed into, I think, 15 or 20 different courses, and it's a wonderful way to engage students and get to the meat of the curriculum. If your student is still in need of additional help after watching both the overview and the crash course reviews, then I would highly recommend looking at the main lesson, which is a textbook lesson. It is one chapter over the Depression and the New Deal reading. This book is actually written on a 6th or 7th grade level, so it's a little bit easier to understand, and it's pretty basic. And that, along with the reading guide, really allows the student, really allows the student to be able to understand the big picture of this particular era, the Great Depression and the New Deal. So after you've done that, my recommendation would be to have your student go ahead and go into, of course, Study Island, and do the Great Depression and New Deal practice. There's also a PDF here with 30 questions along with the key that goes along with that, if you want to print that out and give it to your student as a practice test. Khan Academy also has some wonderful practices and videos for U.S. history. The on-level reading is right here, and the Great Depression and New Deal practice, as well as an AP reading and AP practice. And I actually recommend the AP reading and AP practice for all students, just because it gets, the questions are more closely aligned to the questions that are on the state test. So that's a good way to practice for those state test questions. There's a lot of other things that are on this website. We've got novels that relate to the content of this period. There's a wonderful one-pager with directions. You can see an example right here. As well as for any student who is taking the ACT, which would be all 11th graders, this Zoom In program is a really good way to teach students how to write if they are struggling with the writing portion of the ACT. It's a highly structured 4-paragraph explanatory essay. The program itself takes you through step by step by step, and it allows the student to learn how to look at different sources and write paragraphs in relationship to those sources. You can come and look over this at any time. Every single unit is set up the exact same way for ease of use. These resources will enable you to help your students, both those struggling and those who are doing just fine. And as always, if you have any questions or need help, I'm always available by email or on the Social Studies chat Tuesdays at 2. Thanks. Have a great day.